Here, brush fire.
Hey, what's the idea of running my customer off?
We just want to have a little chat with you. You're the new owner of this shop.
That's right. What can I do for you?
Nice place.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is a rough neighborhood. Bet you'd hate to see something happen to your little key store.
What about my little keister?
Key store.
You give us $50 a week, and we make sure your place stays safe.
I'm not interested.
We'd hate to have to make you interested.
Get out of my shop. You get nothing from me.
I think you're going to be sorry you said that, mister.
Oh, yeah? You and who else?
Easy, Rock. See you around.
Well, Norberg, looks like we made contact with the organization.
You know, I was just thinking, Lieutenant, what if we offered 1 key free for every 3 keys duplicated?
They know we're not going to be easy. The next move is up to them.
But only as a limited time offer.
It looks like they mean business.